Have you ever dreamed about writing a book and having it published? Maybe you've got a novel inside your head. Maybe there's a family memoir or something about your children or your own past. Or you've got some knowledge, some specialised knowledge that you would like to get out there. All of this is possible. In fact, much more so now than it ever was before, because the road to traditional publishing is far from the only one that exists now. After more than 40 years in writing, and certainly 25 years in publishing with my husband, we've got a few answers for you. Maybe not all of them, but a few if you'd like to ask some questions. So, we are now thinking of writing a course, a publishing course for yourself and for people like you, which will take you through step by step through the process and show you what to do and how to do it. But before we do that, perhaps you would like to make some comments to ask us some questions. So think what you would like to ask two experienced publishers. And at the bottom of this, where there's comments, you can pin your question, just one question, and then give us a chance to have a think about it, and we will come up with an answer, probably a YouTube answer that you can read and enjoy, and other people can see and enjoy as well.